Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel, which is the one on the right side, or actually not, it's a control panel right here. Actually, I think that's what I said. So anyway, whatever the case may be, you want to pull the one on the right side because you do have also the notifications one on the left. So that's what we're looking for. And in here, you will find somewhere Do Not Disturb mode, hopefully. Okay, it looks like it's actually not added by default, so I'm gonna tap on the square right here, edit switch, and see if I can locate it. Nope, it's also not here. Guess let's go to the settings. So there is the Do Not Disturb toggle, though boy is it limiting. So we only have a toggle for it, and we have a schedule for it. And honestly, there's no settings for this, which is weird. That's the most bare bones Do Not Disturb mode that I have encountered. So yeah, if you want to use it, simply toggle it on from here, and there we go. Again, it doesn't show up here, so you will, if you want to turn it off, you'll have to go back to the settings, sounds and vibrations, and then find Do Not Disturb mode and toggle it off. Additionally, if you're using the schedule, then simply toggle the schedule and it will turn on and off itself. But it looks like that's the only way you can access it, which is a little bit inconvenient, but yeah. So anyway, that is where you'd find it. Unfortunately, there is no customization for it, so this is just a enable and disable option. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.